Hi guys, and welcome back to The Content Edit. The number one question I get asked all the time is how can I get more people to see my blog? Well, today I'm going to give you 3 really quick and easy tips to help you get your blog seen, not only seen once but seen time and time again, and create your own superfans. The first tip is to share it on social media. And don't share it once, share it more than once, share it numerous times throughout the week, especially linking back to your latest post. Now that doesn't mean be spammy, but find creative ways to put the blog post out there and to let people know that you've got a new blog post. The second way is to create your own newsletter. So have ways that people can sign up. For example, at The Content Edit, you can go to thecontentedit.com/VIP and you can join our VIP club. And this is basically our newsletter list. So people will never miss the newsletters because every week we can send out great extra tips, we send out behind the scenes of The Content Edit, and we also remind people of what they might have missed and what content we've created. So you could create something yourself very similar and have some kind of sign up on your blog, and also remind people to actually sign up. And the other one is actually telling people. Do you tell your friends? Do you tell people in real life when people ask you what you do? You say, oh, I write blogs, I'm a blogger. Tell people. This also links back to the recent video that we did, which is all about networking. So if you do go to networking events, let people know about your blog, and then have some business cards and swap them, because it's amazing how many people will have a little nosy afterwards and check out your blog. Those are 3 quick and easy ways that you can get more eyes onto your blog and create those super fans. So get sharing on social media. If you haven't already, create your own newsletter sign up and get people on there. And remember to email them and let them know that you've got new content out there. And tell people in real life so that they know that you've got something going on, because your friends and family can often be your biggest fans and really help spread the word in those early days. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. I'd love for you to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, remember to constantly keep shining. Bye.